Good evening, everybody. My name is Praveen Sinha.
And my name is Deshika Satya.
आप सब लोगों को विजयदशमी के पावन पर्व की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। शुभ विजया।
Navaratri Subhakankshalu, Iniya Navaratri Vartikal,
विजयदशमी आसंसका।
Vijayadashmi Shubhaya Galu.
आनंदी विजयदशमी।
We would like to wish all the people here a very happy Dashera. Let me take this opportunity to welcome His Excellency, the Ambassador of India to Hungary, Mr. Kumar Tuhin, and his wife, Mrs. Deepa, and everybody else present here.
आज के कार्यक्रम में हम हंगरी में भारत के राजदूत श्रीमान कुमार तुहीन एवं उनकी पत्नी श्रीमती दीपा एवं और सभी उपस्थित गणों का हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं। हमें आशा है कि आप हमारे नवरात्रि के विशेष सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों का आनंद उठा रहे होंगे। दशहरे के इस पावन उपलक्ष्य पर हम आज का कार्यक्रम श्री राम मूल मंत्र से करेंगे। ओम श्री रामाय नमः।
ओम श्री रामाय नमः।
ओम श्री रामाय नमः।
इस श्लोक में हम प्रभु राम जो मन की शांति एवं खुशी प्रदान करते हैं को नमस्कार करते हैं।
In this slok, we give our salutations to the bestower of happiness and inner peace, Lord Ram.
But what is the significance of Dashera?
Dashera is the day when Lord Ram killed Ravana. Lord Ram is the most worshipped god of Hindu culture, and he's known as the Maryada Purushottam, the ideal king of all times. His rule was known as Ram Rajya, referred to as a golden period in history. He is the seventh incarnation of Lord Vishnu, who killed Lankapati Ravan and restored Dharma on earth.
Throughout my childhood, I've heard an ancient saying that one should live like Rama and not like Ravan.
Indeed, Lord Ram and Ravan are two men of similar yet contrasting characters in Ramayana. Both had extraordinary knowledge, wealth, and power. However, Ravan tried to rule the three worlds, heaven, netherworld, and the earth, himself, and used his power to harm the noble and pious. In contrast, Lord Ram used his power and wealth to serve the people.
The defeat of evil by the good means something to all of us. Both the evil and the good are within us, and it is an eternal fight.
And it is a great reminder to all of us that no matter what we possess, indulging in worldly things like anger and revenge can take it all away and cost us dearly. So while it may seem difficult to achieve a victory, it is equally, or rather more difficult to maintain it. That should be our takeaway from this Vijayadashmi.
Let's begin the cultural programs for today. Our first act is a Bharatnatyam performance. Bharatnatyam is a form of Indian classical dance belonging to Tamil Nadu. Bha meaning emotion, bhava, Ra meaning music, raga, Ta meaning rhythm for tal, and Natyam meaning dance. Thus, Bharatnatyam is the dance that encompasses music, rhythm, and expression and strictly adheres to the Natya Shastra. Let's start today with a solo Bharatnatyam performance by Dr. Neetu. Please give her a huge round of applause.
Shakti, 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 Shakti. 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 Mahakali, Mahashakti, Maheshwari. Mahakali, Mahashakti, Maheshwari. Mahishasuramardini. Mahakali, Mahashakti, Maheshwari. Mahishasuramardini. Mahakali, Mahashakti, Maheshwari. Mahishasuramardini. शक्ति है कमाल शक्ति है कमाल भयंक शक्ति है दिनों का कमाल करूँ भवनवास कमाल भयंक शक्ति है कमाल शक्ति है करूँ कमाल भयंक शक्ति है दिनों का कमाल करूँ भवनवास
कथक एक वैदिक संस्कृत का शब्द है जो कथा और कथकर के मिश्रण से बना है, जिसमें कथा का अर्थ है जो कहानी कहे और कथा का अर्थ है कहानी। Mr. Abhishek Kichi belongs to a tradition of Jaipur Gharana. He started his training under his father, Sri Ghanshyam Kichi, at a very tender age of 5. Later, he joined the Kathak Kendra in New Delhi under Guru Pandit Rajendra Gangani. He is known for his dynamic footwork and energetic chakras.
He is an impaneled artist from ICCR and the Ministry of Culture. He has performed in India and abroad like Italy, Spain, South Africa, Saudi Arabia and China, among many others. अब आपके सामने देवी और गणेश स्तुति पर एक नृत्य प्रस्तुत करने आ रहे हैं श्रीमन अभिषेक एवं उनके शिष्य।
गणानां गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सूरे भुजाचार एकदंत चंद्रमांगराजराजे ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश कारवे नृपत गावे अति विचित्र गणनाधार मदंग बजावे मदंग बजावे मदंग बजावे।
संतति संपत्ति सब ही भरपूर पावे।
भाव भगत से कोई शरणागत आवे, संतति संपत्ति सब ही भरपूर पावे।
ऐसे तुम